Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to create this look. First I'm going to start out by priming my eyes all the way up to my brow. I'm using a concealer and next I'm popping in this bright orange color. I'm using a fluffy blending brush for this, and now I'm just blending in that shade using a lighter color. Keep blending, and you know the key for a perfect eye makeup is blending. So since this is a cut crease look, I'm using the same concealer, which is the Prolongwear concealer. I'm gonna list all the products used in the description box below. And yeah, I'm just using the concealer to cut the crease. So next I'm adding this shade called Living Pink all over my eyelid, and I'm blending in the two shades together just to merge in the color together. So for my wing liner today, I am using a black eyeshadow called Carbon. I want a soft wing, so that's why I'm using this for my liner. Next is eyebrows, so I'm just going to do my eyebrows. If you guys want me to do a separate tutorial for this, like an in-depth tutorial, just let me know. I will be more than happy to do it for you. Just comment on the comment section down below. Yeah, so I'm just cleaning up my brows, so I'm using a concealer for this. So next I'm taking that same orange color that I used on my eyes. I'm just popping that under my lower lash, blending it in, and I also used the same black Carbon for the outer corner of my eye. So for my foundation today, I'm using the Studio Fix foundation. This is a matte finish foundation. It's good for people who has oily skin, but for those who have dry skin, you can still use it. Just make sure you moisturize the face really well. So now to complete the look, I'm adding a little bit of blusher and bronzer, just a little bit, and contouring my forehead with it, and also my nose. Not so much, just a little. So for mascara, I'm using the In Extreme Dimension mascara, which is one of my favorite mascara from MAC. And yeah, I'm just also adding some false lashes just to complete my eye look. And I'm using two lip products today. It's a lip liner along with a lipstick. I don't remember the shade, so I'm going to mention the shade in the description box below. And yes, this is my favorite part, which is highlighter, and I'm using this Hyper Real Glow highlighter. It's amazing. It gives you that glass finish looking skin, and I'm also adding it to the inner corner of my eye as well as my brow bone. And yes, this is the complete look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul.